What did Nana send you?
An iPad.
An iPad. What do you think's in there, Mimi? It's an iPad. What?
It just flew in the airplane today.
That's right. It flew one on the airplane today. Did Daddy tell you where it had to fly in from? It had to come all the way from China. Can you say China?
China.
Yeah, it flew in from China today. Is this exciting? Can you say thank you, Nana?
Did you order the case?
Probably not. Oh, yeah, she did. She did.
It's like an airplane.
He flew it on the airplane.
Open it. And now we can get it.
Now we can get it. That's right. Daddy's got to take the plastic off for you, okay?
Daddy put plastic on.
Be careful with it. It's really special.
What is a nail? What is a nail?
I don't know.
Daddy